Quit smoking, tips and strategies for a successful journey. Smoking is a dangerous habit that affects millions of people around the world. Despite the well-known health risks, many people continue to smoke, leading to a variety of negative effects on their health. In this video, we will explore the different effects of smoking, including its impact on the lungs, heart, and other organs. Introduction to smoking and its impact on health. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide, causing millions of deaths every year. It is important to understand the impact of smoking on health to help smokers quit and prevent non-smokers from taking up the habit. The effects of smoking on the lungs. The lungs are one of the organs most affected by smoking. Smokers are at a higher risk of developing lung cancer, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. We will explore the effects of smoking on the lungs in detail, including how smoking causes damage and increases the risk of developing lung diseases. The effects on the heart. Smoking also has a negative impact on the heart and cardiovascular system. It increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. We will discuss how smoking affects the heart and the mechanisms behind it. The effects of smoking on other organs. Smoking also affects other organs in the body, including the mouth, throat, and digestive system. It increases the risk of oral cancer, esophageal cancer, and stomach cancer. We will delve into how smoking affects these organs and the potential long-term consequences. Ways to quit smoking and reduce health risks. Quitting smoking is essential to reduce the health risks associated with smoking. We will discuss different ways to quit smoking, including nicotine replacement therapy, medication, and behavioral therapy. We will also explore how to reduce the health risks associated with smoking for people who cannot quit smoking. Conclusion. Smoking has many harmful effects on health, and it is essential to quit smoking to reduce these risks. The effects of smoking on the lungs, heart, and other organs are severe and can lead to long-term health problems. Quitting smoking is challenging, but it is possible with the right support and treatment.